Hey, this is Kim Samples, Handyman Walking with Jesus. I just had a quick tip that I wanted to give you about tape measures. I have a Stanley tape measure, and you know what I did? I hate to admit it, but I left it out in the rain yesterday. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to keep it in good shape, and hopefully it won't ruin the thing. So anyway, let's take a look. Okay, I'm out here in the workshop, and this is my Stanley 16-foot tape measure that I left out in the rain. Yesterday it was raining. Didn't think it was going to rain, but it went ahead and rained. So what I want to do is to get all that water out of there. So I've shaked it and done all that. But now I'm going to take some of this WD-40 and I'm going to squirt it in here. Let's see if I can turn it around. I've already squirted a little bit in there, so I just wanted to show you. This is WD-40, so I'm going to squirt it in there. Squirt quite a bit of it in there to get all that water out of there. Shake it around, pull it out a little bit. And I can't pull it out with holding this camera too, but anyway. I'm using WD-40. I also have some, what is this, multi-purpose blast that you could use. I think anything would work just to get that water out of there. So let's take it outside. Anyway, I'm outside. I took it, I've pulled it in and out 2 or 3 or 4 times. Seems to be working fine. I'm sure all that oil and WD-40 or blast or any lubricant that you have would loosen it up. So with this particular video is, of course, don't leave your tape measure out in the rain, and if you do, this might be a way to kind of keep it from rusting up, or I'm not sure exactly what's the internal parts of these because I haven't taken one apart in a long time. But anyway, keep walking with Jesus, have a blessed day, and stay tuned for the next video.